Now, the final kind of capital, which is goodwill capital. Oh man, I celebrate this kind of capital. This capital is the best kind of capital. If you have this capital, there is no kind of business you cannot start with it. And now, many of all these businesses without capital have, taught you about is this goodwill capital that you use in starting them is very important. Goodwill capital is simply character capital. That's features, that characteristics you have that is endearing a lot of people to you. Have you noticed some people, people just fall in love with them, people want to go any length to do anything for them because they have good character, they have integrity, they have sincerity, they are hardworking and all that. Now, goodwill capital is that thing you have, that characteristic you have that will make anybody take any level of sacrifice for you. Let me tell you how it works. Assuming you want to sell perfumes, for instance. You want to sell perfume and creams. You don't have money to start the business, but you have character. People know you to be truthful, know you to be diligent, to be honest, know you to be trustworthy. You may not have money to do the business, but you know somebody who knows somebody who is a dealer, who sells, an importer, who deals in these products. All you just need to do is to meet the person. The person may be your pastor. Meet your pastor and say, oh, daddy or sir, please, I want to do this kind of business, but I don't have money. But I know somebody who deals in this product. Can you help me meet the person to be giving me some to sell and return money after selling? Your pastor will willingly and gladly do. But the question is, many of us today have become bankrupt of goodwill. We don't have goodwill. We don't have character. How many of us today can really go to somebody that they should borrow us money and the person will, without any consideration, just borrow us money? The world has gone so bad today. There's no honesty. There's no trust anywhere. That's why businesses, it has become very difficult for you to even start business with this very important kind of character. Goodwill, part of goodwill capital is that thing that will make somebody borrow you money without thinking twice. Because he knows that he will not have to fight you to pay for this money. But many of us, there's a saying by my language or in my tribe that Olio Said Goma, meaning a debtor, they get power. When you want to borrow the money, you come with sweet, oh, God bless you, this, you even quote the Bible. But by the time this money gets to your hand and you engage it, then the owner of the money starts going through struggle, stress to want to get this money back, meaning you don't have goodwill capital. So we've all depleted our goodwill capital. We don't have it, and that's the biggest dilemma we find ourselves today. Now, as a person, I've started today, by special grace of God, I have about 6 companies of my own. And I started these companies without a dime, without capital. As time progresses, I'll be unfolding to us serious secrets, great secrets of success in business. How you can engage this goodwill capital. So every day, finally, every day, any action you take, anything you do, you must deliberately build goodwill capital, because the most important kind of capital. And how do you build it? By behaving very well, by putting on the armor of integrity. When somebody tells you do this, do it from your heart. When you tell somebody I'm coming by 10 o'clock, by 10, ensure you are there. When somebody gives you something and you say you are returning it by so day, ensure before that time or by the exact time you return it back to you. That's how you build trust. Some also call it trust capital. So these are the 4 kinds of capital. Now, these things I'm teaching you, you may not find it in any textbook. I've always said this, that the university system today does not teach our children, does not teach students how to succeed after school. And the certificate is not an instant ticket to success. This truth, many of your lecturers don't know it. They don't know all this is because you can't find it in any textbook. How can you be a lecturer, you are teaching business management and you are broke? Every time you're always begging your students money. It shows you are not, no man can give what he doesn't have. Meaning you are not even qualified or competent enough to even be teaching that thing. How can you be a job creation officer and you are a civil servant? These are the challenges we are having. So these things you can only find from the experiential knowledge sharing platform. So I don't consult any textbook to get this. We must localize, the content of our academic curriculum to reflect prevalent realities and circumstances in order for our people to make progress. Thank you very much. I believe you enjoyed this broadcast. I'm still your friend Marcus Ekure. I know you've been enjoying this broadcast coming your way. Please do not enjoy alone. For each video you watch, always recommend your friends to subscribe to the channel, to increase or expand the chain, because information is life. He who is not informed is deformed. Thank you very much. Keep flying and stay on top. Nothing can stop you. I'm still your friend, Marcus Ikure.